Hello everyone and welcome in another video on this channel. I hope you are doing well. Although we are passing through a very difficult and unseen time, but we hope it will get over soon. Now let's move to our today's topic, which is an update about a new type of exam from ETS. Actually, a few days ago, ETS officially introduced a newly designed and modern type of English proficiency test. They named this test TOEFL Essentials. So today in this video I will discuss all about this new upcoming English proficiency test. So keep watching if content is related to your interest. So let's start with its design and structure. The test measures our English skills in a variety of environments beyond just academic. The test questions adjust to our skill levels as we go through the test. This test uses a simple, flexible approach to create an engaging test experience. And now let's talk about its structure. The test measures the core skills of listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And the 5-minute video, which is unscored, gives a chance to institutions to get to know us and see our unique personality. Now let's talk about the duration of the test. It takes only 90 minutes to complete, which is very short compared to other English language tests. Next, about score report. They will send the score within 6 days or even in less time. One important point regarding score is that, unlike TOEFL IBT, this test allows us to send our score report as many institutions as we want with free of cost, which is quite impressive. In TOEFL IBT, we need to pay few extra dollars if we want to send our score to more than 4 institutions. Next, let's talk about cost of this test. The cost will be below 120 USD as I have found on ETS official website. A news website reported its cost will be 100 USD. So we can say this test cost nearly half of other similar exams. Now let's move to the next interesting question about the test. Is it similar with Duolingo test? So, according to official statements, I can say there are several similarities with Duolingo test. Like this test can be taken from home. It is short duration, low cost, design is quite similar, and unlimited score reports. Further, you can read this table. This is taken from official website of ETS. Registration for the test will start from 17 June and first slot can be booked for 21st August. So there is plenty of time for the test to happen for the first time. About the test acceptance, they have officially stated that their official acceptances are coming. They expect the TOEFL Essential test to be widely accepted by the institutions that already accept the TOEFL IBT test. They further added that their research found that more than 90% of surveyed universities in the US, Canada, and the UK would likely accept the TOEFL Essential test for the admission. So here I will end this video and will be happy to solve your any query regarding this content. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.